So you've got an AWeber landing page, but now you need to actually connect it to your funnel. Maybe you're trying to capture leads, send automated emails, or just make sure everything flows smoothly. But if you've tried linking it before, you've probably noticed AWeber's integration isn't always the most intuitive. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link your AWeber landing page to your funnel the right way, and I'll also show you a better alternative that gives you a lot more flexibility. First, let's talk about direct integration. AWeber lets you connect landing pages to email lists automatically, but if you're trying to link it to a full sales funnel, especially if you're using software like ClickFunnels, System, IO, or Kartra, it gets a little trickier. You usually need to use a third-party tool like Zapier, which can add extra costs and complexity. Next thing, AWeber's built-in funnel system. If you're using AWeber's landing pages, you can set up simple automation to send leads directly into an email sequence. But here's the catch. If you're trying to link your landing page to another part of your funnel, like a sales page or webinar, AWeber doesn't have a true drag-and-drop funnel builder. You'll need to manually redirect leads using a thank you page URL, which can feel a bit outdated compared to modern funnel tools. Another issue, AWeber's customization. If you want a high-converting funnel, you need control over your landing pages. But AWeber's landing page builder is pretty limited compared to something like System, IO, where you can fully customize the experience, add upsells, and integrate with payment processors, all in one platform. With AWeber, you'll need separate tools for that. The fourth thing, tracking and analytics. AWeber gives you basic metrics like open rates and click rates, but when it comes to full funnel tracking, it's lacking. If you want to see how your landing page is performing inside your entire funnel, you'll need external analytics tools, which can get complicated fast. Now, if AWeber's limitations are starting to sound frustrating, here's the good news. There's a better way to do all of this in one place. Instead of trying to force AWeber to act like a full funnel builder, there are platforms that actually do it all without needing Zapier or extra tools. And the best part? We've got an exclusive extended free trial to the best alternative for linking landing pages and funnels seamlessly. I've added the link in the description where you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Plus, I've included some other great alternatives if you're looking for more flexibility with your funnel. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.